Apify tutorial for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you about Apify, a full stack platform for web scraping. So let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all, you have to head over to apify.com. Then you can tap on to get started, or if you have previously used it you can also log in, but for now we're going to tap on to get started. And after tapping on to get started, you can log in using your GitHub account, your Google account. Also you can enter your email and password casually and then sign up. For now I'm going to tap onto Google account as always, and then I'm going to continue. So as you can see, I'm continuing. Then wait for a moment and then Apify will ask you to enter your full name, for example this one, and you can also enter your username. Then you have to check this icon, then you and continue. So there we go. This is basically the Apify dashboard. This is how it looks like. And from there you can check out more scrapers, for example Apollo scraper, website content crawler, and many other things like TikTok scraper and etc. Okay, so here you can see Apify is show right here. You can just tap onto any scraper if you wish to. Then simply we are gonna tap onto web scraper, as our today's video is on about how you can scrap webs. So there you go. You have to enter your run mode name if you wish to develop one or production one. Then you have to choose it. You have to start URLs. For example, this one is a URL. Also you can add more URLs if you wish to, but for now I'm gonna cut it. And on the advanced option, if you click on this advanced option, you will be able to get the methods like post, put, delete, and etc. But for now I'm gonna keeping it on the default one. And from here you can add your headers. You can enter your user data. For example, I'm just gonna enter a random text, then you can set it up. And here you can see this option. You can make it larger if you wish to. As you can see, this is at the top right corner. Let's make it a little larger now. Like empty object. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's cut this one because I don't want it right now. Okay, let's set it up. So there you go. Now from scrolling it, you can check out other options. And if you really want to scroll your websites, you can check out all this code. This is the page functions, and you can enter your codes. Like if you want to edit something, you can edit. For example, you can add title right here. I'm gonna add, wait, let me cut them. And you can enter your first text here. Okay, okay, so this is how you can edit the text here. You can edit these codes. You can check out those codes if you wish to. This is how the codes are written. You can just use them, but for now I'm gonna just skip this. So now I hope you understand that how you can code this. You can edit this function. These are basically the page functions, like what will your page look like. Then from the exclude globe patterns, this one is optional. If you want, you can add the sites like PNG sites, JPG sites. You can also add CSV file format if you wish to. These ones are where the basic configuration. You can check out your browser proxy and browser configuration right from here. You can enter your proxy country, for example United States. You can upgrade it for more, like you can get more proxies. You can enter proxy rotation and all other things. You can use this browser masking, like for use Chrome, but right now I'm gonna just turn it off. And from there you can check out all other things like performance and limits. Here you can check out max page retires here and all of this. Then you can tap on to save and start, and you will see it's magic. So there you go. You can check it out. it is running right now. You can tap on yes I agree for perfectly running it. So these were the codes, and you can abort it if you wish to. And from the schedule options, you can schedule, you can create a new schedule. So you can tap onto storage, and you can go to Apify storage and check it all of these things out. And you can search for more things, for example e-commerce, and you will be able to see more e-commerce scrappers, for example Google Ads scrappers, Facebook Marketplace scrappers, and many more. Now let me show you the billing of this site. So here you can see the current period. The free usage is like 1 cent to $5. And here you can see this, I have remaining $4.99 remaining for usage. And after then I have to update it. So let's check out their pricings. There you can see, you can check out their pricings for here. For example, this proxy one, you can get residential proxies for $8 per GB. Data center proxies, 5 IPS included, and ACRPs proxies. For that you will need extra $2.5 and 1000 ACRPs. And you can just check it out, all of them. And from the settings section, you can enter your email or change your email. You can upload new image. You can check out API and integrations from here. You can enter many more things. You can check out organization. You can convert this user account to organization from here if you wish to. And this notification and privacy sections, where I don't need that much to show you something. You can upgrade it right from here. Just tap on the upgrade option, and from there we go, we can check out their offers. This one is the monthly billings. You can check out these offers. They offer 5 types of packages, and one of them is free. You can check out annual billings, and which will cost you a little lesser than the monthly one. You can check out these offers right here. Just go to this site. Here you can see the whole address. Just search for it, and then you can compare it on your own. But I will suggest you to firstly check out the free plan and get to know this site, and then you can think about buying premium versions. And that was pretty much it about Apify. And if this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and toggle the bell icon on. And let me know in the comment section that if you want a more described video on Apify, I will make you one. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.